All right. So, very good morning to all of you. Now, we have a very large group with us. So, for the moment, I have muted all of you, um, but don't feel left out. One is that the chat window for you is very important. So, whenever you have any observation, anything you want to ask me, don't think too much about it. Just put it on the chat window, and I will keep an eye on that. And the moment I get an opportunity, I will answer your question. Right. Rest assured, I will not be leaving any of your questions. So I will make sure that you understand everything. And any personal queries that you have, you can take with me offline later. So any question that you have related to the entire group, you can ask me on the window, I'll answer it. Anything that is related to your personal query. For example, maybe you want to know what type of career path you should be pursuing, right? So that is not something I would like to answer in front of the entire batch, but I will do that offline with you. All right, now we have 6 sessions and we have quite a lot of topics that we have planned. So we have to very systematically go through them. And we also have to be aware of the amount of time that we are taking. So there might be some areas that are a little faster than the others, but I would ask you not to worry too much because in any case, even if I go very slow, you will not be able to learn everything and memorize everything in one day. It's not possible, right? You have been given access to the courses and you will have to watch these videos again. I will be sharing all the files with you. You will have to practice again. I will be sharing the solutions with you as well. So you will have to see the solutions as well. But please remember that do not feel overwhelmed when I cover a lot of topics. I'm covering a lot of topics because you guys are going to be finance professionals. And it's very important for you to have a level of knowledge that is much more than other MBA finance students out there, right? I hope you agree with that. And just keep this in mind that whatever you're learning today is learning. That means that you're becoming aware of these topics for the first time. How will you get your hands dirty? That is exactly what you have to do. You have to get your hands dirty. You have to practice. You have to do something 5 times, 10 times, 15 times till you start to understand it, right? So in the beginning, it's going to seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry about that. I will walk you through this entire journey of 2 days. So a very quick and short background about what I do and what has been my journey working on Excel. So I run a firm called Habish M Consulting. It's an analytics firm. So we do analytics, consulting, and business automation. The primary work that I do happens on Excel. So I would say about 70% of my work happens on Excel, or maybe 60%. Another 20-25% happens on Power BI, and the balance happens on different technologies. So we work on Tableau, we work on Python, we work on JavaScript as and when the requirement comes in. But primarily, I'm an Excel firm, so I'm a spreadsheet consulting firm. I enable clients to work better with their Excel files. As a business, I do everything. So I do one-on-one coaching for CXOs. There are, of course, no names being taken, but I have taught various CFOs and CMOs around India and around the world. I, of course, do classroom trainings for different clients. And I also do personal coaching and finally instructor-led classes, right? So we have self-paced learning, which is online courses, one-on-one coaching, which is for CXOs, and instructor-led, which is classroom training like the one that we have right now. My work has been featured in a number of places. I was also a 40 under 40 last year for analytics. I have been working with Businessworld for many years now. I've been featured on the cover as well, and I do a lot of different surveys for them. My clients are sector agnostic. So I work with clients from multiple sectors. So I have power and energy, event, healthcare, BFSI, manufacturing,